don't know what we're gonna do today's video, but what we're about to do, we're gonna head over to Randy's house. I can drop off the seat, hang out with him a little bit, chat it up, see where he's been at, cause y'all been like, yo, where the hell Randy at, bro? Where Randy at? I'm gonna go over there, see what Randy's been up to, and probably go do some rolling shots, cause I want like a nice rolling shot of my car. And yeah, I guess it'd probably be like a chill day with the homies. I will try my best to get mine to hang out with us, but you know, who knows? What's going on in here? Come on, son.
Hello, hello, hello.
So now with Ryan, Randy's driving the whip. We're gonna go take rolling shots of the car right now. Give us something to do because it's hot. About 5 o'clock and there ain't shit to do. So I'll get some rolling shots and whatnot.
On the streets, I'm in the road. I'm in her mind, and I'm in her soul. You sit with me, I'll tell you stories never told. I'm still young, but I'm already old. I'm on my own. I'm on my ice. She showed her toes. Dangle jewelry. I do a little more.
Look who decided to stop by, bro. Hey, where my pictures at? Nigga said, I've been so busy. Get your ass off me, you Frank Ocean Channel Orange.
So busy.
A tornado flew around my roof.
Y'all, new subscribers. I know Zosh been hitting like 30,000 more subscribers. So
Yeah, he hit by 30. I deleted my channel 3 weeks ago and shit.
you deleted it.
It be your own niggas, bro. Moral of this video, it be your own niggas. Where my pictures at for real, man? I've been waiting 3 days for them shit, bro.
I've been busy, bro. No dead ass.
You been Orlando being daddy mood and shit. Got kids on your shoulders and shit. Look at that little dude. Oh, I love it. Daddy of the year. Hey, where you been at, bro? Everyone think you dead, bro. Hey, where you been at, man?
I've been slaved.
You been slaving where at, bro? Hey, answer the question, bro. Where you been at? You been working? Damn, man. Hey, where you been? Just got back home from Randy's. Gonna rinse the car down for the second time since I had it painted. Gotta keep the car rinsed and clean, so when the paint do cure, you won't have like dirt cleared inside your clear coat and stuff like that. I think I have no idea what the hell I'm saying, so don't listen to me. But yeah, I'm gonna rinse the car down and give it a clean. So this is the part of the video where the title and the thumbnail comes into action, son. Because I know you guys are like, yo, Josh, bro, stop with the clickbait, bro. You clickbait too much, bro. So in the thumbnail, you see white Reagan masters on Christina, right? Now look, hey. Your boy would love some Reagan Masters, but Reagan Masters wouldn't love me, cause them price point on them right now, hey, no sir. But there is another way to achieve the white Reagan Master look. Now what I'm thinking about doing is obviously the cheaper route, which would be just powder coating the wheels white. I think that'll make the car look great. Like, come on, son, look at this. Doesn't that look great? Like, doesn't that look off the chisane, son? Now I've been reading everybody's comments. Yo, Josh, get new wheels, bro, get new wheels, bro. Hey, Josh, get new wheels, bro. Funny you say that because your boy is getting new wheels. My man Sean hit me up the other day and was like, yo, get ready to have some black RPF 1s. I was like, oh, don't tease me, dog. Don't tease me, dog. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks, your boy should be picking up some black RPF 1s. I just spit on my camera, hold up. It kind of sucks having a gap tooth, man, because you spit on people when you talk. Like, that shit trash, bro. Like, man. It sucks. I powder coat my current wheels white, and then I buy black RPF 1. So it's like, am I really changing the look of the car? But the thing is, I'm not going to sell the slips. I'm going to keep them and just have 2 sets of wheels. But it's like, I spend, I don't know how much you're charging me yet, but I spend, let's say like $800 on black RPF 1s, right? And I come from black wheels, so I don't want to go back to the same look, but I really do want RPF 1s in black because I think it just looks hella aggressive. I think it looks amazing. Got the yellow tire letters popping. I don't know. I think it'll look great. So what do you guys think about my current wheel situation? I powder coated code them white, keep them black, buy the black RPF ones, powder coat those white. But I'm not gonna, I'm definitely not gonna powder coat the black RPF ones. The original finish on the RPF ones are black, which is like what I want. I don't want no dipped wheels. I don't want, you know what I'm saying? They come black from factory, so I really want those. And the slips are also dope too. But, you know what I'm saying? I powder coat those white. It's gonna look great. They're gonna look like Rega Master reps for damn sure. But hey, I ain't tripping. Hey, but yo, if you know any shops out there that do powder coating, or you do powder coating, and you wanna, you know what I'm saying, look out for your big noise, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you want some exposure to your shop business or something? Hey, get at it. Other than that, I'm gonna do a brake upgrade on the car. I'm gonna get some drill and slider rotors. I think I'm gonna keep the same calipers, just get them powder coated yellow. My first big purchase after my paint will be a cage and some seats. So I'm gonna do the cage first because that's gonna be the most expensive. Then I'm gonna order my sparkle seats. Gotta get the car ready for IBOC in April. And that's pretty much it for like a couple of changes coming to the car soon. Gonna install the Type 2 coilover sometime this week when I'm not sleep deprived. Oh man, I'm tired, bro. Like I haven't slept in days, it feels like. I'm tired. But the daily uploads must go. Your boy ain't slacking. But if you guys don't hear from me for a couple of days, just know your boy getting some Z's. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm tired. I'm tired, nigga. Well, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you can, only if you can, could you please smack that like button for your boy? Ooh, yeah, that was good right there. I almost dislocated my damn shoulder. Leave a comment down below on how you guys feel about the white slip streams, clip screams. Marauder slaps are still available. Banners are still available. Everything down below to my website if you want to check out the shine and see how a real goon do it. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Hey, y'all go to Rainey's Instagram and be like, hey, I heard the news. Congrats. That's all you gotta say. That's all you gotta say.